Hello everyone and welcome to season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Knox Junior School from Clarendon going up against Our Lady of the Angels Prep from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Knox Junior School won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Knox Junior School and Bible knowledge. Who was the father of Joshua, the man who succeeded Moses?
None.
Correct. Our Lady of the Angels? What was the name of the woman who hid the 2 spies sent to Jericho by Moses?
Sarah.
Incorrect, it's Rahab. Knox, Jamaican affairs. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Auburn Hill.
Correct. Our Lady, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Favor Williams.
That's right. Science, Knox. What is the second closest planet to the Sun and Earth's closest neighbor?
Mars.
Incorrect, it's Venus. Our Lady, what is the 5th planet from the Sun and orbits the Sun outside of the asteroid belt?
Jupiter.
That's right. Television is a visual. This is for Knox. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Morgan Freeman.
That's right. Our Lady, shifting over to you. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Can I say something?
Favor Williams.
Incorrect, it's Martin Lawrence. Back over to you, Knox. This is English language. Spell encore, which means a repeat performance.
Encore.
That's right. Our Lady, spell signet, which is a young swan.
Cygnet.
That's right. Sports, it's a visual. Knox, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Coco Golf.
That is correct. Our Lady, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Say something. Jessica Williams.
Incorrect, it's Caitlin Clark, U.S. basketball star. General knowledge, Knox. On a normal computer keyboard, with which number does the $ share a key?
Number 3.
Incorrect, it's 4. Our Lady, on a normal computer keyboard, with which number does the ampersand or and sign share a key?
8.
Incorrect, it's 7. Social studies, Knox. What is a liquid rock that flows out of a volcano called?
Magma.
Incorrect, it's lava. Our Lady, what is a name for very small fragments of lava or rock blasted into the air by volcanic expulsions?
They're like stones, I think.
Magma.
Incorrect, it's ash. Music, this is for Knox. Niall Horan, Liam Payne, Harry Styles, Louis Tomlinson, and Zayn Malik were members of which boy band?
The Maroon 5. The Backstreet Boys.
Incorrect, it's One Direction. Our Lady, Nick Carter, Howie Dorough, AJ McLean, Brian Littrell, and Kevin Richardson were members of which group?
I don't know, just say Dragon Believer.
Dragon Believer.
Incorrect, it's the Backstreet Boys. Mathematics, Knox. A farmer, bought 108 young plants. He planted them in the garden in 4 even rows. How many plants did he put in each row?
28 plants.
It's 27. Mathematics for Our Lady. A farmer picked 210 apples and divided them into 5 equal boxes. How many apples did he put in each box?
42.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Knox Junior School on 5 and Our Lady of the Angels Prep on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Drop, cover, hold. These are 3 words to remember to prevent injury if there is an earthquake. This involves dropping to the floor, crawling beneath a sturdy desk or table, and holding on. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.